Some people say that meteorologists can't control the weather. I beg to differ. I'll have more on the snowmaking going on in my backyard in a little bit. RNN Weather starts right now.
Well, it's hard to believe it is almost Thanksgiving break, but it actually is easy to believe given the weather we had last week. It was frigid. We only had highs in the 30s on Tuesday of last week, but that weather left us over the weekend with highs in the 60s. But it does look like we'll be getting some cooler weather today and tomorrow as well as for your Thanksgiving, but it doesn't look like anything as cold as we had last week. So let's take a look at that forecast right now. Starting off with that hour-by-hour forecast for today, we'll have mostly sunny skies earlier in the morning, but some more high thin clouds could move back in this afternoon, with highs only reaching the lower 50s. Now, as we take a look at that forecast for tonight, expect partly cloudy skies to mostly clear skies as we head towards daybreak, with temperatures falling into the lower 30s. Now, taking a look at that forecast for tomorrow, it'll be a pretty similar day to today, maybe a few more clouds out there with highs in the lower 50s. Now, before we take a look at the 7-day forecast, it's time for the weather fact of the week.
So you may be wondering, how exactly do you make snow in your own backyard? Well, first, the temperature has to be cold enough. What we call the wet bulb temperature has to be below 27 degrees. So, to make snow, first of all, you have your snowmaking head right here. And what comes out of the snowmaking head is a product of there's compressed air coming out of this one hole right here. You've got compressed air, and then you've got water coming out of these misters. And the water's pressurized, that pressure washer down there, and the compressed air is coming out of this So, as you can see here, the air coming out of this hole is mixing in with the water coming out of these misters. And what that does is it allows the water to freeze and form ice crystals. And as you can see right here, this is real snow. Snow that would fall during any snowstorm. This is the same process that ski resorts use to make snow when natural snow does not occur. So, you may think this is pretty awesome, right? Well, if you'd like to see more of the snow, you can ask Mr. Leach or Mr. Rainey to allow me to bring the snowmaker to school so we can have snow at school. For now, reporting in Huntsville, Carl Snyder, RNN Weather.
Well, unfortunately, there's no cold weather on the 7-day forecast, so it doesn't look like I'm going to be making any snow this week. But as we take a look at the 7-day forecast, again, to recap for today and tomorrow, we'll have highs in the lower 50s under partly cloudy skies. Now, as we take a look at Thanksgiving, expect partly cloudy skies with highs in the upper 40s. And as we take a look at that extended forecast, it looks like we'll be encountering a warming trend as we head towards the beginning of December. So it looks like the coldest of air came in November and not in December, but who knows what we could see as we head down towards Christmas. Have a great day and enjoy your Thanksgiving break.